Hi, my name is Shanna Mota, the founder of Live Love Detox and a friend of FitLifeTV. And today I want to talk to you about cultivating a self-love practice. And the reason self-love is something that I want to highlight and is so important in our lives is because we often put ourselves last. We're so worried about taking care of everyone else in our lives. We put our jobs first, we put our kids first, we put our partners first, we put everyone else before ourselves. And creating a self-love practice brings us back home. It brings us back to ourselves, to our hearts. And the truth is, we can't expect anyone else to love us unless we first love ourselves. I want to share with you 5 steps of my daily self-love ritual that have supported me and my clients on our journey. So the first step of loving myself is taking care of myself, mind, body, and spirit. So that begins with eating whole, nutrient-dense foods, healing foods that support my body, nourish my body so that I can have the energy and vitality to get through my day and to create all of the magic that I'm creating in my life. And one of the things I do daily is start my day off with Organifi green juice. It's a superfood green juice powder. I just add it to water, stir it up, and drink it down. And that is communicating to my body, to my cells, to my organs that I love myself. The second thing I do is move my body daily. For me, it's often dancing. So I like to start my day putting music on, dancing, flowing, moving, and getting into my body, and that supports me in loving myself. The third thing is focusing on my mindset every day. I like to begin my day with gratitude. I will journal, I will meditate, I will say I am affirmations to begin my day, so I start my day in that positive mindset. At any moment, you can shift your mindset with your thoughts and with intention. So I invite you to pick one tool that works for you in shifting your mindset, whether that is journaling, whether that is guided meditation, so you can start your day in a beautiful mindset. So choosing little things every day, or at least once a week, that show yourself that you love yourself. And these can be things like getting your nails done, getting your hair done, going to get a massage or acupuncture, whatever forms and modalities of healing that make you feel good. Make sure that you make time for yourself every day, every week, and do the things that make you feel amazing. And my last tip is to do things that excite you. We've always heard about becoming a yes man or yes woman, saying yes to everything that comes your way. But what happens when we do that is we overcommit ourselves. We get stressed out, and then we realize that we're doing things that we don't really want to do. So these are my tips that I practice every single day to cultivate that self-love practice. And I invite you to create your own. Implement the ones that I shared with you that resonate with you. If they don't, find your own. Do those things, but do them with intention and do them every day so that you fill your cup up and that you can be of service to the world. So thank you again so much for watching. My name is Shanna Mota, and I'll see you next time.